Hey friends! Upgrade your older vehicle's audio system instantly with these powerful Bluetooth FM transmitters for seamless music and hands-free calls. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car Bluetooth FM transmitters in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Lehon Bluetooth FM Transmitter Car Adapter. This ultra-compact device is the perfect solution for drivers who want a clutter-free dashboard while enjoying their favorite MP3, WMA, or WAV playlists. It features advanced CVC noise reduction technology that effectively filters out background interference, ensuring your music sounds crisp and your hands-free calls remain perfectly audible. With its dual USB charging ports, you can easily power up multiple devices simultaneously, while the integrated voltage display helps you keep a constant watch on your car's electrical health. The Smart Auto Reconnect feature means your phone pairs instantly the moment you start the engine, making it an incredibly convenient companion for daily commutes or long-distance travel. Its small frame hides a very powerful microphone that automatically switches from music to call mode, allowing you to stay focused on the road ahead without any distractions. Next up, our second product, the Nolaxi 54W Bluetooth FM transmitter. This powerhouse adapter is designed for the modern user who needs high-speed energy, featuring a massive 54-watt output split between PD and QC charging ports. Utilizing the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it offers the most stable and fastest connection available, virtually eliminating any audio lag or signal dropouts while you drive. The specialized one-touch bass boost button allows you to instantly enrich your audio experience, while the 5-color ambient light ring provides a stylish and functional glow for nighttime operation. Safety is a top priority with this model, as it includes comprehensive protection against overheating and short circuits, wrapped in a sleek, user-friendly design. It is fully compatible with almost any 12V to 24V vehicle and allows for effortless frequency matching, ensuring that you always get the clearest possible sound through your car's stereo system. Coming in at number 3, the Nolaxi KM18 2024 upgraded Bluetooth FM transmitter. This legendary model returns with significant upgrades, featuring a highly flexible gooseneck that allows you to position the 1.44-inch LCD screen for the most comfortable viewing angle. The bright display provides real-time information about your current FM channel, incoming phone calls, and even your vehicle's battery voltage to keep you informed at a glance. It boasts Bluetooth 5.0 for a reliable wireless link and supports high-fidelity audio playback through TF cards or a traditional AUX cable for maximum flexibility. The oversized multifunction button makes it incredibly simple to manage your calls safely, enabling you to answer or redial with a single touch without looking away from traffic. Its noise cancellation technology is specifically tuned to block out engine hum and road noise, delivering a premium listening experience that rivals much more expensive built-in automotive audio systems. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Lensent T25 Bluetooth FM transmitter. This device is a master of interference-free audio, leveraging sophisticated noise and wind suppression to deliver full duplex sound quality that is remarkably clear and vibrant. It allows you to stream your media through 3 different methods, including Bluetooth, USB drives, or microSD cards, giving you total control over your entire music library. The dual USB ports are engineered with built-in overcurrent protection, allowing you to charge your smartphone safely and efficiently while you navigate using voice commands from your phone. A distinctive blue ambient light makes the unit easy to find in the dark, and the real-time battery monitoring feature provides an extra layer of security for your vehicle's starting system. With its wide frequency range and stable Bluetooth connectivity, the T25 ensures that your road trips are always filled with your favorite high-quality audio without any static or signal interruptions. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Lehon 3-port Bluetooth Car FM transmitter. This versatile unit is a dream for multi-device users, featuring a triple-port configuration that includes a dedicated PD 3.0 Type-C connection for lightning-fast charging of modern smartphones. It comes equipped with a stunning 7-color LED backlight that adds a personalized touch to your car's interior while significantly improving the visibility of the ports during late-night drives. The Bluetooth 5.0 connection works in harmony with CVC noise suppression to provide crystal-clear hands-free calling, making it easier than ever to stay connected with family or work while on the move. You can easily access voice assistants for navigation or music streaming, ensuring your hands stay on the wheel and your eyes remain on the road for maximum safety. Whether you are using a TF card or streaming directly from your phone, the audio quality remains vibrant and full-bodied, making it an essential and stylish upgrade for any 12V to 24V vehicle. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.